be dropping like 5 videos just today for you guys. Details, market analysis on 5 major pairs I'm going to be looking at over the week. All right, and today is Sunday, so I want to look at the market before the market actually open, guys. So this is Euro USD. If we notice, right, Euro USD has been bullish for the whole of this year. All right, this is the weekly time frame, and we'll be having a series of higher highs and higher lows, as we can see on the chart. If you notice, we have a change of character here. All right, where price will actually coming down, and we'll take out this liquidity point, which lead to the higher point, and price traded down, sweep the liquidity, all these liquidities, because whenever we have equal lows, all right, all these are equal lows. Look at it. All these levels were equal lows, all right, and price will actually ranging at this level. So price came down, took out all this liquidity, bounced on this breakout block, and from there we see this expansion. All right, so now we are still bullish on Euro USD, guys, because this week we have this weaker candle that rejected, and we broke structure at this level here. We broke structure and we created a new high, which is this high here that we have. All right, so I'm expecting price to actually still continue to be bullish on Euro USD for this week. Maybe I want to see something like this. I want to see a strong candle that will close full this week, maybe to this level. Yeah, so once we can get to this level and take out this liquidity at this level, I'm going to be expecting next month to start coming down, maybe creating something like this all the way back to this level or even below it. So I believe next month we're going to be having a really good sell in the market. But this very month I believe the market is going to close full bullish, and from next month and the following months to come, we may have some good pullback. All right, so this is like what I'm expecting on Euro USD. So I'm expecting price to actually continue to buy to this level and all this level. So let's scale to the lower time frame to see how we can take advantage of this week that is upcoming, where we should be looking at for good opportunity to enter the market. All right, so for the daily, you can see that we still broke structure. If you want to look at it more clearly, we have this low before now that is taken out. All right, and if you look at it, the liquidity point that we have here, which is this low that are here, price have already swept it. I will zoom in better so we can see more clearly. Notice after the break of structure, price actually created a high point, which is this very high here, and price tried to move above the high but failed, so created all this low. But we have a sweep of liquidity here on Thursday and Friday. So if we look at Thursday, price came and took out all this low here, have it swept, and we are now breaking above. So we may not have a good clarity here, or to we scale to, let's say, 4 hour or even 1 hour. So let's go to 1 hour. Now notice this was the low that I marked on the daily time frame that I said price took out liquidity. So notice how price was here and we came all the way down, went up, and we shift structure around here after price took out all these lows, use them as liquidity. We took out all this level, and we have this break of structure. All right, that happened around somewhere here. Okay, and actually created this high that we have on Friday. Now, you remember, guys, I took a trade around somewhere here and I was expecting TP around here, which I did hit TP on Euro USD. If you guys remember that trade that I posted. So what are we expecting from this level? Like I said, we are still expecting price to actually buy and take out all this high, going all the way to this level. So what I'm expecting on Euro USD is a buy. All right, I'm going to be looking out for buy opportunity, but I'm going to be looking out for the buy around somewhere here, this level here. Around this breakout block. So I'm expecting price to actually use the low that we have on Friday, which is this low, as liquidity. This low we have on Friday here. I'm expecting price to use it as liquidity. So what I'm actually expecting is price selling down to take out this low, bounce on this breakout block, create a shade of character here. All right, and we take a buy all the way to this up. So at this level, I'll be expecting my TP to be around somewhere here. I'll be really patient to wait for this trade on Monday, because price may actually do the opposite of it. But once I see this happen on Monday or Tuesday, I'll be happy to take this trade and target that level. Remember, price is going all the way up, so this is where we're actually coming to. Price will break this level and also continue to push up. So we can have the opposite of this market happen. Instead of price coming down, price will even decide to break this structure to touch this high, then give us a pullback back to this level here. Let's say maybe something like this. Let me just give you guys a picture of what I'm trying to explain. Price could open and we'll have a break of structure all the way to this level, and price may sell back to this level, then we'll continue up. So anything is possible, but I'll be glad if they can sell it down to take out this low that was created on Friday, use it as liquidity, and have a change of character around this level on 15 minutes time frame. Then I will look for a buy to target this level, or even this high that we just came off from. So this is what I'm actually expecting on Euro USD this new week. I'm still looking out for buy opportunity, because we have a change of market structure around this level here, which I believe is similar thing that happened around somewhere here. Let me show you guys something. Notice what happened around somewhere here. We have these multiple levels of lows, equal lows around this level here. After we actually have a high that was created, just the same high that was created here. Look at it, the way we have this high that was created after a break of structure. We have this low break structure to the upside, and price pull back, and we have these multiple levels which were double bottom at a point in time, and price came, sweep them, and we broke structure. And if you see that structural shift here, all right, it's almost like similar something that happened here. See how price came, sweep and break. Same thing that happened here, sweep and break. And this is more like this level. Let me put something there for you guys so you guys can see. Maybe you can take your time and study it for yourself. We see this level as this, all right, and it's similar to like this. You guys see that? Now this low we have here, all right, is more like this low that sweeps all this low, which is this one that took care of all these lows that we were having here. So it's looking like same pattern. We want to see price come back and take out this very low that was created here. Look at this low here, all right, and that is same thing I'm having here, this very low. So I'm expecting price to come take it out just the way price did here, took it out, and create a change of character, and will continue bullish. So similar scenario, because the market actually will leave you a pattern, all right, because what everybody trade in this market is actually pattern that they have seen, and this pattern has happened and over again. So that is what you actually use sometimes to actually gather data and trade and make your trading decision or form a strategy. So this is what I'm actually expecting. I'll be glad if this happen, maybe price open and we set down to take out this liquidity, which is the low that was created on Friday, use it as liquidity, and price give us a change of character just the way he did here, giving us a W and retest, and we go. All right, so something like that happen here, and we're going to be having this expansion that may lead to a break of structure, which is this high that we are looking for price to take out and continue to trade upward for the rest of the week. So guys, this is my home view on EURUSD, and I hope you learned something. I'm going to be dropping other pairs that I'm looking at. I don't want the video to be too long, so you won't be too bored watching this video. So see you guys in my next video, and have a wonderful time.